The following is an operating instructions for ESA 640 controller. Here is the file name. Number of bending steps. There are 3 steps in total, and the current position is the first step. Click the arrow keys to modify the bending parameters of each step separately. PCS.done shows the number of parts. Here you can set the width, thickness, and type of the board. Here is the selection of the lower mold, V1 V4. The current one is V1. If you change to 2, the system will automatically select V14. If you change to 3, the system will automatically select V16. If you change to 4, the system will automatically select V12. Click here to select the upper die. There are 3 options. Currently using P105. Here is the angle of Y1, Y2. Here is the x-axis distance, retract distance, corrections for the inner and outer size. R-axis height adjustment. A1 is the deflection compensation value. TDC is the distance between the upper and lower dead centers. Click to set the parameters. Force is the adjustment of tonnage. Crown is the compensation value, the same as A1. Mute is the silent distance setting. Bend time is the pressure holding time setting. Here is the speed adjustment for slow descent. Currently on the edit page. Here is the single step editing page. Here is the program page. Here is the editing page for upper and lower molds. Then go to the single step adjustment page. Click Run, the machine will automatically search for parameters, and you can bend after completion.